Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki. So on today's video I really should stop with these dramatic intros. Anywho, I was saying on today's video we're going to be cleaning my fridge like I promised you guys. So my fridge is a little filthy, just a tad messy, a tad, not so much. So I take a lot of iced tea, and I bought some iced tea 2 to 3 days ago, and I have not wiped it yet. So the settings in my fridge are really cold, so it is stuck on there, I know for sure. So yeah, it's a little messy. We need to go and clean it, guys. Any organization item you see in there, I'm going to make a separate video for it, and I'm gonna put the links in it, and yeah, I'm going to hook you up. Okay, so no judgment guys, no judgment. All right, let's go clean the fridge. Wow guys, my fridge fridge is a little filthy, so no judgment, okay? So I know you guys can't see the dirt, but under here I had some juice that spilled over and it went under there, and I haven't cleaned it in 2 days, so it's time to clean it. So that's where most of the mess is, but generally my fridge is not that dirty. I'll bring you up close here to see, but yeah, under there. So let's get the stuff out first. Woo. Yikes. So guys, if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, please kindly do consider subscription. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. For my returning subscribers, Asanteni Sana, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted that you are subscribed to my channel. For those of you who take your time to like my video and comment on my video, I really do appreciate you. May God bless you. You're my sweethearts, my darlings. Shit, my sweethearts. So this video is quite self-explanatory. Right now I'm just working on the door, and then I'll work on the sides of the fridge as I let all the products that I've put. So I put some Dawn soap, some and some bleach. As I let that soak into the stain that's there from the iced tea, and just let it soak a little bit because it's stuck on there as I work on the rest of the fridge. So yeah, I might come in and out to explain some things, but yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So guys, these are the fridge liners that I got from Sam's Club. If you have watched the video for my 3 month 6 month shopping haul, I bought this in Sam's Club to line my fridge. As I said guys, my fridge is an old fridge. It comes with a house, and so it has those, you know, the thingy you can what are they called, the rails. So when you put like a bottle of water on top of it, it's not stable. You know, it's not stable. It can fall off. It's wobbly, like I'm showing you. So yeah, so I'm tired of that, of things falling over and them not staying in place. That's why I even got organization stuff, and so that's why I'm putting in the liners. And yeah, it also helps with if anything like liquid or anything that you've put in your fridge will not fall on to those rails, because those rails they're not easy to clean. It will just fall onto, you know, the liner, and you can take out the liner and clean it. All right, I just thought I should let you guys know that in case you're wondering. So guys, these are the storage bins that I got from Sam's Club. I got the two white ones from last year. I don't know if they're there till now. And these two, the black and brown, I got from I think 3 weeks ago. It is in my 3 months 6 months shopping haul for my groceries. So yeah, I guess they're still there, so I just wanted to show you how I placed it. So yeah, this is my fridge now. It smells so good, it's so airy, everything is clean. I'm not feeling guilty knowing that there's some iced tea that is under somewhere and I haven't cleaned it. You know, a clean fridge always just, you know, it makes me happy. Like, try it, it will make you happy. When was the last time you scrubbed down your your fridge? That is a culprit. Iced tea, that one right there in a jug, that I filled it up too much and it poured over on the other side when I was taking it out. So yeah, when was the last time, guys, you scrubbed down your fridge? Like a really good scrub down, eh? So yeah, I did not show you guys when I was cleaning my freezer because my freezer was already clean. I think I cleaned it like 4 days prior to this, so my freezer was still quite clean. So I did not feel the need to just remove everything and just wipe it down for the sake of a video. As you can see, it's clean. It's all right. It's all right. So guys, if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, I hope after watching this that you will subscribe and become part of this family. For you guys who've stuck it out till now, thank you so much. Thank you so much. May God bless you. For the returning subscribers, Asanteni Sana, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted that you guys are subscribed to my channel. So guys, that's it for this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please kindly do consider subscription. Surely, if you've made it till now, this video is so long. If you've made it till now, please kindly do consider subscription. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime you upload a new video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're a returning subscriber, Asante Sana, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that you are subscribed to my channel. For those of you guys who like my video, comment on my video, hey, may God bless you. May God bless you. You're my sweethearts, you're my darlings. I really, really appreciate you. Yet another video finishing at 8 p.m. It is what it is. So guys, we content creators really spend a lot of time trying to create good content for you guys. So please, if you like it, don't forget to like. Just like. And if you really, really enjoy being here, please just subscribe. It's very, 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 very free. Alright? So guys, I guess I'll see you on the next one.